Hello! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. It's me, Shine. Wala si Jun ngayon. Wala si Jun ngayon at kasama niya yung mga bata nakipag-birthday sila. So, I'm here again coming to you live from NC, USA. So, this is our day 35 and I just want to review our the topics that we have discussed for this week. So kung natatandaan niyo po, 'di ba, na-mention namin before about having your yung dreams do come true if you have the courage to pursue them. So yung quote na yun is it's so powerful kasi if we will not do action to achieve our dreams, then it will just be a dream. Katulad nga nung na-mention namin few days then na by doing such action, you have to be in touch with your faith then. Kasi dun kasi nag-uumpisa yung desire mo na may mabago sa life mo, hindi lang sa life, sa career, or sa anumang aspeto ng buhay natin. So, it's really a big thing to make an action in everything that we do. Kasi usually, action always beats intention. Kumbaga, kung wala tayong gagawin na paraan para makaalis tayo sa kung nasaan tayo ngayon, we will still be on the same place that we are kung hindi tayo gagawa ng action. Di po ba? At saka napag-usapan din natin about yung patience and persistence. Patience kasi hindi naman agad-agad nakukuha natin yung mga bagay na gusto natin in life. So we need to practice being patient kasi sometimes good things happen to those people who are patiently waiting. And then it's also nice to keep a good attitude while you are waiting kasi mas maganda yung magiging rewards nun in the end. And lastly, you need to be persistent para nang sa ganon kumbaga, the more mong pinaghihirapan yung isang bagay, mas yung pag-re-reap mo nung achievement na yon, kumbaga mas masisavor mo siya. So I think yun lang naman talaga ang point. Like usually ang ginagawa natin, it all depends on our action. Katulad nga nung sinabi ni Mahatma Gandhi, the future depends on what you do today. So, kailangan we need to be persistent in what we do. We need to be patient as we are waiting for the things that we desire in life. And then, we should always live by faith. Kasi, kumbaga, 'di ba sabi nga nila, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So it always comes to God pa rin kahit saan natin banda titignan, kasi siya naman talaga ang creator, siya ang tagabigay ng mga pangangailangan natin. He is our provider. So, I think yun lang po for tonight. And I hope na naging maganda yung araw nyo ngayon. Tomorrow will be another day. So I hope you will be having a good time with your family kasi weekend, and alam ko, dyan din sa Pinas, it's a long weekend. So, until tomorrow po, maraming salamat. See you tomorrow.